All right, some of you guys never get tired of scouring the internet for the most obscure of trailer locks. So this one came in from about 5 different people the other day. This is a Connor coupler lock. I'm not really sure how it is used. What I can tell, because the keys are right here, it is a 5-pinner, so that's a big plus. I guess there's some part of the trailer that let me grab a trailer hitch real quick. All right, here's one I use in the lab once in a while. So I'm thinking that it goes through that hole right there to keep you from releasing the mechanism. So let's take a quick look. Oh yeah, it's real smooth. Wow. All right. Ah, it unscrews. The end of this is threaded into the body. You know, this might actually be a challenge because you're going to have to turn it. You're going to have to pick that thing several times to get it so you can rotate it. So it would fit in there like so. Slide it around and then screw it into place. I guess like that. I guess that would work. In order to pick that, you probably have to pick it 4 or 5 times, and it's a 5-pinner. So that's a plus. All right, again, with the spirit of keeping this as real as we can, let me take this over to my buddy's house, slap it onto one of his trailers. We're going to turn his dog loose, and let's see if the dog can keep me from picking this thing. All right, guys, let's take a look at unlocking Dane's dump bed trailer. It's already preloaded with brush. I'm going to be taking a look at this little guy right here, the Connor lock. So let me go ahead and install him, and let's see if we can't get him picked so we can drive away with this 3-year-old brush pile. All right, guys, in terms of toughness, this Connor probably is not very tough. It looks to be some kind of pot metal that's colored gold, but we're not going to break it. We're going to see if we can actually pick this thing. It's probably going to give a pretty good level of resistance simply by the number of rotations necessary to unscrew it far enough so that I can turn it open. So in terms of delaying somebody, probably is a great lock. All right, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can work around the camera here just a little bit, find out which side the wafers are on so I can put the tension in the right place. I'm going to be using this guy. I'm sorry for getting in the way here, but things are just a little bit awkward around this trailer hitch. Almost straddling the hitch and leaning over the camera at the same time trying to make this happen. So in that respect, it is a little harder in the field. And I haven't even gotten the first rotation yet. And there we go. There's the first one. Let's see how far it goes. Okay, we got basically a half a turn out of it. Not a lot. There we go, another turn. And that's not nearly enough. I got to keep going. It's a little awkward here because you're not going to be able to see a lot with my thumb in your way. I realize that. Oh, that was easy enough. And I'll try to pick it like that. Get in there, get in there. Or the guy shows up with his shotgun and looses the dogs on me. Here we go, one complete rotation. It's not ready to open yet. So I think we picked it, what, 3 times. Okay, there's another one. Now I'm thinking about that dog and the shotgun. Now it's making me nervous. Let me recock that a little bit and try it again. Aye. Tensioner fell into the grass. Luckily I found it. What in the world? We were doing so well till we got to this point. This is the point you pull out the screwdriver and you break the lock off, I guess. It really is my buddy's trailer. I'm not as nervous as I appear from all this dropping. It's just a really bad angle. Wow, this is really stuck on this side, and I don't know why. Let me recock it. See if maybe I didn't have it all the way. And there we go. Finally, let's see if it'll open yet. Not quite yet. Probably got to give it one more. I need to drop that tensioner one more time. Can you imagine doing this in the dark? You'd have to bring like a dozen tensioners, or better yet, mount your tensioner on a string and hang it around your neck. And there we go, another rotation. And now, I believe, nope, not yet. There we go, one more. Now we finally have an open. I don't know how many minutes that took, but you know, if this were not such junky material and it was a better core, this would probably be an excellent choice. But I think with this opening, even when it's inside of there, it would be easy to put a pry bar in and shear this off at one of these arms, or possibly even break it right here on the threaded shaft. Anyway, guys, there you go, the Connor trailer coupler lock. Appreciate your time, appreciate your patience, stay safe, stay legal. Now let me see if I can find that tensioner.